Today I'll be making chicken jalfrezi. For this preparation, the first step is to fry eggs. I have taken about 3 eggs and added red chili powder and salt into this. We will fry this and we'll make julienne pieces of eggs for this preparation. So we have fried the egg. We'll keep it aside and we'll cut this eggs into julienne pieces. In the next step, we will be sauteing a little onion and chili. So take 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, you will cut capsicum, 1 capsicum into julienne pieces, and you will add. I do not like the taste of capsicum, so I'm adding green chili. To this, you will be adding 1 onion cut into julienne pieces. So you will saute this for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, keep these onions and green chilies. In the next step, take a cooking pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil into this. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. You will be adding chicken raw pieces, julienne. But here I have already fried this chicken. So if you are using raw chicken, then you will fry it until it changes the color from pink color to white color. So this is about 500 grams of chicken. Once your raw chicken converts to white color, then you will be adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add 4 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Add 2 teaspoon of tomato paste. So this is tomato paste, or you can add tomato puree. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder or Indian spice powder. Add half a teaspoon of cumin powder. So now to this we will be adding tomato, which are cut into julienne pieces. So you can take around 1 or 2 tomatoes. These tomatoes, you are not going to cook them, but this should be slightly fried or sauteed. Now next you will be adding the sauteed vegetables, the onions and the green chilies. You will mix this well. So these are the julienne pieces of the egg that we have fried. You will be adding, and then you will slightly mix this. So you will let it cook on a slow flame for about 5 minutes, and then you will switch off the flame. So our chicken jalfrezi will be ready, and I will dish out and I will show you how the preparation looks like. Thank you very much for supporting my channel. Please like, share and comment on my video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.